Open the file UVW04. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at pelt mapping. Select our gnome and apply an unwrap UVW modifier to him. See by the checker map that the UVs aren't laid out quite yet. Now, in order to apply pelt mapping to a character, you need two things: a face selection and an edge selection. The face selection is going to tell you what part of the object you want to pelt map, and the edge selection is basically going to tell you where you want the borders or the cuts to be. So we'll go into face subobject mode, uncheck ignore backfacing, and we'll just select all the faces for the character, because for this instance we're going to pelt map the entire character all at once. Now that we've defined our faces, we're going to define the edges for the cuts. So click on Edge mode, and we'll go into the perspective view. And here is where we need to decide what kind of edge seams we have. So we can click on Edit Seams, and we can go along and just using Control select all of the seams. A little bit faster way to do this is actually to choose point-to-point seams, and what this allows you to do is go and select a point. We'll select this point in the front of our character's forehead, and you see you get this little line, and then from point to point it selects edges that are the easiest way to connect these different points. So with just a couple of clicks you can get some fairly fast edge selections, and we can come here down to the small of the back and bring this down the side or back of the leg. Right click to stop that edge selection and start a new one right here, which will go up there and there. Right click, and to select the arms it's as simple as selecting this point, going there, and clicking this point at the end of the arms. So basically these are going to be our seams, and we're going to decide to cut the character and break the mesh along these seams and then unfold it using the pelt system. So we can go back to selecting our faces. We have all our faces selected, and from here we'll apply our pelt mapping and adjust the parameters for that.